welcome back to another video. It's your girl ARIANNE STYLLZ. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video, and if you're returning, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. Now from the title you can tell that we'll be getting into this beautiful hair. A lot of you have always been asking where you get your hairs from, like where are your units from, they look so nice, like yada yada yada. So I'm gonna share it today. Almost all of my units that I've worn in my recent videos are from LUVME.com. This one is no different. It is also from LUVME.com. It's this deep curly 360 unit. It comes pre-bleached, it comes pre-plucked, straight out of the box. It could be worn absolutely glueless. And I know you heard me say 360. Yes, 360 but glueless. 360 but glueless. It's absolutely glueless. I have no glue on this. It's not laid down at all, but clock it. Can you clock it? So if you want to see how I'm able to achieve this look in minutes, I would suggest that you just continue watching this video, okay? So straight out of the box, this unit is gorgeous. It is a 360 unit that comes with a drawstring technology. I've been loving seeing people style this drawstring cap. Unfortunately, I did get a size medium, which is the cap size that I always get, but it's a tad bit too big and I'm not quite a small, so I'll have to figure out how to finesse the actual 360. But for wearing this unit in like a center part, which is what I'm doing here, it is perfect. I did go in with my hot comb to ensure that I flattened that parting space and also the front of the hair. This unit came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so there's literally nothing you need to do. I did a little bit of customization. I cut off some of the lace off of the front. Again, this unit is a tad bit bigger than my head. That's not the brand's fault. That's just literally all my head is. And then I went in to just play around with the parting. As you can see here, you have unlimited parting space. Like you can do a center part, a side part on both sides. You can do a half up, half down. Like it is amazing. And the lace, superb. The lace on this is just absolutely gorgeous. All I did was to add a little bit of foundation so that it blended in with my skin a little bit. And then I went in with my Got2b spray because again, this unit is a tad bit big for me. So to ensure that the lace is melted onto my head, I just needed a little bit, just like a dab, like nothing too much. I didn't even need to take it all the way around. And then I just, you know, melted that with the comb that came into the box. And these clips came in the box as well, which I love that you get these little, you know, perks when you buy it. So you need everything that you need to actually install your unit is usually in the box. And then I'm gonna put a band over this to just let it marinate for a little second. And yeah, that's literally all I did. Literally all I did. Now for styling this unit, all I did was to add a little bit of water and a tad bit of mousse to the front of the hair. You can do a lot more, but I loved how the curls were looking straight out of the box. I didn't want to wet it and weigh it down and too much. And you can also wand curl this. Like this will look so great. Wand curl, it takes the curls really well. It takes heat really well. So that's kind of all I did. And then I added a little bit of my bio silk to bring back some sheen into the hair, played around with it. That is it. That is all. Just enjoy the vibes the hair is giving. Okay, I am so excited to figure out how I can make this unit actually works in the 360 for me, because I have a vacation coming up and this would be the perfect unit for my vacation. takes us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm loving this unit. I can't wait to actually play around with it to get the hang of the drawstring detail in the back, because it's very new for me, and usually I'm a 5x5 closure kind of girl, but you know, you want more parting space. You want to be able to move from a side part to a center part. You want to wear your hair up and stuff like that. So if you want this unit, you want to switch it up a little bit, you also want to look fly, or you even have a vacation coming up, I'll have this linked in the description box below, and you can use the code that's there as well to save yourself a few coins, you know, because I'm all about saving a few coins. So yes, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a giant thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.